Alright, we're good.
It's shooting high.
Yeah.
To the right, ain't it?
Yeah, to the right of the center. Bottom right.
There it is. It's off. It's on the side of the trigger guard right there. You see it? A little flip down. There you go.
There you go.
That's cool. That's good. There.
Alright, we're good.
Look at it. All of them shot in the same group. You see it right there? Look. All of them right at the bottom. This here needs to
Come up.
This dot needs to come up a little bit.
Ain't there a...
There was a screwdriver.
It's fine. I'm gonna try that one all the way back there at the very back. Now this one got a little bit of.
Let's see. There we go. Low. I didn't even see that one. Low.
What the?
That one. I don't know where that one went.
I think it hit the microwave.
Yeah, I was aiming for the center dot on the microwave. I can't tell with that one. You want to shoot this one? A display screen above the buttons. Yes or no?
I think so.
I think I hit right beside the handle. You see it?
Yep, I see it now. Yep, right.
Y'all want to pop this one?
And alright, you good.